Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to convert your PDF file to Excel. So there's a few ways to do it, but the best possible and the fastest way to do it is you can actually just type into your Google PDF to Excel, click enter, and we're gonna go to this site right here. Convert PDF to Excel free online, no email required. So you're gonna click on that. And we are going to go with upload. So you're gonna find your PDF file, whichever it is. So I have a PDF file right here, which is a table PDF file. Click on open, and you're gonna wait for it convert to Excel. So this is a convenient method. It's a very easy to use method, and I really like it. But the thing is, you can actually do it a few other ways, but it doesn't really matter. So what you're gonna do is just gonna click save, and when it gets downloaded, you're gonna click on it, and as you can see, it converted our table to this. So this is the table I had, and it converted to this. So this is the easiest method. It's very easy to use, and it's very it's really not that complicated. But uh, you can also open the PDF file in your Word file. So you click on Word, click on Open, so Microsoft Word, click on Open inside the Word. If you have a Word that's older than 2010, click on Open, click on Open the PDF table file or any file you want, and you're gonna get this table inside your Word. Just copy it and paste it in your Excel file. So it's not that also complicated, but this method I just showed you is the most convenient to use. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a very short tutorial, so don't mind me, and bye. That's it for today's video.